I'm here with Dr. Romano and Professor Blois to do problems on percent increase and percent decrease.
Hi, I'm Dr. Romano. I'm Professor of Organic Chemistry here at Romano Scientific and the creator of the Orgo-Man products and the author of the DAT Destroyer book. I am here today with Professor Blois, who will be doing some word problems designed for the DAT exam, and I think you're going to enjoy it. All right, Professor, if you can show us what we got.
Okay, let's start right in here. Dina sets aside a yogurt fund that will buy 33 tubs of yogurt each month. That's one a day and a couple left over. A, if the price of a tub of yogurt increases by 10%, how many tubs of yogurt will Dina's yogurt fund be able to buy each month? Well, she'll be able to buy less. We already know from the beginning if the price of yogurt goes up and her yogurt fund remains the same. So how do we do this? Okay, let's set this. Let's set A equal the cost of one tub of yogurt. Okay, cost of one tub of yogurt. Okay, so that means we can assess how large her yogurt fund is. Her fund is equal to 33A, because 33 times the cost of one tub of yogurt, well, that's how much she has in her fund. Okay, now, how many tubs of yogurt will she be able to buy if the price increases by 10%? That is, when the price goes from A to 1.1A. Okay, that represents an increase of 10%. So what are we going to have? Total cost, the funds over cost of one tub. If we divide one into the other, we'll find out how many tubs she can buy with the new price. Well, the total amount of money in her fund is 33A, 33 times the original cost of a tub of yogurt, over the new cost of a tub of yogurt, which has gone up by 10%, 1.1A. Okay, so this is going to give us the number of tubs she can buy. The A's cancel out. I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by 10. It's 330 over 11. 11 goes into that 3 times. And she'll only be able to buy 30 tubs of yogurt. Okay, so she has to cut down a little. But what if the price of yogurt increases by 1/2? How many tubs of yogurt will her yogurt fund be able to buy? Well, the same situation here. Total funds over the cost of one tub. So A is the cost of one tub. Her total amount of funds is 33A. Now the new price is equal to, well, it goes up by 1/2. So that means the new price is 1.5A. Okay, so the number of tubs she'll be able to buy is, well, we'll take the total amount of money in her yogurt fund, 33A, over the new cost of a tub of yogurt, 1.5A. Okay, the A's cancel out. And in this case, sometimes you want to switch to fractions to make things a little easier. So I'm going to write this as 33 divided by, what's 1.5? But 3/2. Okay, 33 divided by 3/2 is equal to 33 times 2/3. 3 goes into 33 11 times, and 11 times 2 is 22. So if the price of yogurt goes up by 50% or 1/2, she can only buy 22 tubs of yogurt with her limited funds, with her fixed funds. Okay, second problem is very similar. Deb allows herself to spend a fixed amount of money on donuts each week. At their current price, she can afford 24 donuts a week on her fixed amount. If the price of donuts goes down by 20%, how many donuts per week will Deb be able to buy on the same budget? So we already know the price of donuts is going to go down, therefore she's going to be able to afford more than 24. Keep that in mind as you go into the problem, because if you get a number less than 24, well, you know you've done something wrong. Okay, so let's see, what about the total funds in Deb's donut fund is equal to what? Let's select, how about we say A is the cost of one donut. Okay, so her total funds per week is 24 times A. That's how much she can afford. I mean, that's how much is in her total reserve to buy donuts. How many donuts can she buy if the amount of donuts goes down by 20%? So it's total funds over the cost of one donut. That's what we need. That's the number of donuts she needs. The total cost of a total amount of money in her fund is 24A. Now, if the cost of one donut goes down by 20%, that means we're only looking at 80% of the cost of that original donut, 0.8 times A. Okay, once again, the A's cancel out, and I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by 10, so this is 240 over 8, and what do we have here? 8 goes into 24 3 times. She can buy 30 donuts a week when the price of donuts goes down by 20%. And there we have the solution to our problem.
Okay, that was very nice. There was some very fancy footwork. I really liked what you did in here, how you moved that fraction. This is a very nice DAT.
It's a good little technique to know.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed it. You want to pick up some strength now off of these videos. You want to go over these and dissect these. Go back over it and make sure you can retrace the moves that Professor Blois has shown you. All right, we'll see you next time for another fun-filled video clip with Professor Blois and myself. Bye-bye.